Hi, and dear friends, this is Movavi, and I'll show you today how we can, in Movavi, from usual video 16:9 video, do short. Let us import the video. Okay, I'm dragging and dropping into timeline. Now, I will do the shorts, but as you remember, the shorts duration is up to 1 minute. Whatever we do, we will cut out some part or parts. So we have to remove the sound. Firstly, I am detaching it from my video and removing it aside now. Then I have to find the part or parts which I want to leave for shorts. And let it be this one, starting here and up to 1 minute. You see the duration here. Let it be this part. So I am choosing that, control, holding these two parts and cut, deleting. So I have a video less than 1 minute. Okay, now let's do something with it because the resolution has to be 9:16. If I choose here the resolution 9:16, you see it doesn't work. Okay, so I'm going to crop icon. Now you see the area which is inside this rectangle is indicated to be chosen. Okay, and 9:16 ratio is selected. Enter, and it's done. Now I'm getting my audio, moving it. Oh, and it's cut by itself. It's done as long as the video part. So we have new shorts. Thank you. Bye.